In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Pipedrive custom reporting. Start by logging into your Pipedrive account. Once you're in, head straight to Insights. Insights is your analytics home base in Pipedrive. It turns your CRM data into clear visuals so you can track performance, spot trends, and answer questions like which stages convert best, which deals stall, and how much revenue is coming in by source or owner. Think of it as the control panel for understanding what's working and what needs attention. Inside Insights. Click Create to start building something new. Choose Report. Reports let you define the data you want to analyze, such as deals, activities, or leads. Then choose how to measure it, filter it, and visualize it. The beauty of reports is that you can add them to dashboards, share them with your team, and reuse them whenever you need updated numbers. For this example, select Deals as your data source. Deals are ideal when you want to evaluate pipeline health, revenue, win rates, or stage movement. Next, choose Progress. A progress report shows how deals move through your pipeline over time. It's great for uncovering bottlenecks, conversion rates between stages, and overall deal momentum. You can refine the date range, pipeline, and ownership later to get a more precise view. Click Continue. Now pick a chart type that fits your story. Bar or column charts are excellent for comparing stages or owners, line charts are great for trends over time, and pie charts work for simple share breakdowns. Choose the one that makes the result easiest to understand for your audience. Add a filter to narrow your dataset. Filters help you focus on what matters, such as a specific pipeline, a date window like this quarter, a deal owner, an industry, or any custom field you've set up. This keeps the report clean and relevant. Add a deal stage filter to target the parts of the pipeline you care about, such as qualified, proposal, or negotiation. Then set it to won or lost. This tells the report to only include deals that have reached an outcome, which is crucial for accurate conversion insights, revenue reporting, and loss analysis. If you want to compare outcomes by stage or owner, this filter makes those comparisons meaningful. Click Save. Give your report a clear, descriptive name so it's easy to find later, something like Deal Progress, won versus lost by stage, Q1. Then click Save again. Your new report will automatically appear on your Insights dashboard, ready to monitor, share, and refine as your process evolves. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more.